welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanika and I'm a second year but moving into third year student at University of Victoria in Canada, and all this was for you if you're new here, but for the people who already know me know that I just completed my second year at UVic, and I know I've been super inactive lately with posting vlogs and stuff, but this year has been very hectic for me in terms of academics and health-wise as well. But somehow I've got through this year and it's again time to move out and pack all of my stuff, which I'm not ready for. I've been buying boxes and just, I don't know, and the way that my room looks right now, I'm not okay with it, but I think I'll get through it soon. I hope I get through it, and yeah, and I decided I need to document this because I documented my last move out, so just for documentation purposes and just for me to look back in the past, I think it's good to have a documentation. But the next step, which I think is the hardest step of moving out, is doing laundry and packing up your clothes that you do not need back home. Talking of that, yes, I'm also going back home again this summer. I think for lesser days than last time, but still going home. Very excited about that, very excited to fly out soon. I think today is April 8th and I have 5 days until I fly back. My flight is on the 15th and I leave Victoria on the 14th. So I hope I get through this. I hope I'm able to vlog all of this. Thank you for watching my vlog. And yeah, in this vlog I'll show you guys all the process of move out. Okay, so this is how the room looks right now, with most of the stuff gone from there, like on the shelf, and then this drawer is all gone, and then both of these are packed in one bag, and then this one's packed too. It's a mess, I know, but this is all the wall stuff. This is my caddy, this is me right there, then this is my favorite wall. But all of this has to go away. Next step, which is the hardest step, is doing laundry. And my closet is a mess right now, but this and this is all of the laundry that I need to do right now, and with a broken lower back, trust me, it's not easy to do all this laundry. Wish me luck. I think carrying your laundry to the laundry room is the realest struggle. I think I tore my laundry bag. It's so pretty outside. I will miss this cluster. After I think 5 hours of laundry, I'm finally done with it, and this is the amount of clothes that I just washed, and this one is also full with all the clothes. And now I'm packing them here in this bag, and then some of them will go in a suitcase. So I don't know, I was just talking to my mom and I was telling her how I have mixed feelings of coming back this time. Like, I think I've grown more into living in Canada than last year. Yeah. Excited to be back home, drive, and finally back with my car and with all the amazing food. I hope I get through all this laundry folding and packing. So Bisaki today, and I could not go because of my packing and stuff, but my friends bought food for me. There's bundi bhujia. Yeah, it's literally the love of my life, and getting it here in Canada is a bliss for real. And this is how my packing looks right now. This is the stuff that my friends are going to take for summer so they can use it. But yeah. I think I'm a little emotional right now because I just reached work and I just realized that it's my last shift at work today, like last shift ever. After this, I'm moving into a new role with residents, but I'll still be able to come to the space and role, and not like currently I'm managing the space, but then I will be the one who uses the space. But I think I'll miss this space a lot. I've been here, I think, almost every day for the past 8 months, and you just get attached to a space like that. I'll show you my office now. So this is how my workplace looks. And then it was my fake early birthday, so one of my co-workers did this. And I don't know, it's such a cute place to be in every day. And then we have to do monthly programming, for which I made this. And then I'm done with packing. This is my friend's stuff. 1 suitcase, 2 suitcase. These are the things I need to leave here. But these 2 are what I'm taking right now. Uber?
पापा बोर्ड में हूँ मैं अभी.
Suitcase 1, suitcase 2, cabin, sling, and a backpack all ready to check out and take the flight.